Girls lalabas na sa kanilang first ever music flick featuring the hit songs of composer Benny Saturno. And here's a preview. One team.
This is it, okay? Race day na. Ito na yung pinaghirapan nating karera. Okay? Ready? Come on! You, me, fight!
One goal.
Patrick,
But their hearts...
crush mo si Claire, no?
Wow! Ang cute!
Napansin mo na ako.
To lead them to drift apart, away from each other, away from that one great dream. Featuring the final four boys, Rocco, Ian, Steven, and Enzo. And the final four girls, Nina, Rox, Diva, and Sarah, with the special participation of Paolo Avellino and Yasmin Curdy. Starstruck's first ever music flick featuring the hit songs of Benny Saturno. This is Theme Song, directed by Mark A. Reyes.
Abangan nyo ang first ever musical flick featuring the final four boys and the final four girls.
So, hindi siya kagaya ng Monsters na naging monster kami. Dito naging sweet naman kami and nag-reveal kami ng love for each other.
Yun, abangan nyo kasi it's not all about singing. May mga skits din. And masaya siya, so dapat abangan nyo.
We'll be acting, dancing, and singing at the same time. Kaya sigurado mag-enjoy kayo dito.
Marami kayong makikitang magugustuhan nyo, I'm sure. And pinaghirapan namin yan. So, abangan nyo yan.
Mga pare ko sa labas, manonood kayong Sabado sa Theme Song. That's our musical flick. You gotta watch it. It's awesome. First ever. Pinakauna.
Ang ganda po kasi lahat kami, nandun yung emosyon, nandun din yung comedy, lahat po, lungkot, saya, lahat po.
Mapapanood nyo sa Saturday ang buong video ng music flick namin. Abangan nyo.
That's right! Panoorin ang kabuuan ng first ever Star Trek music flick bukas. This has been RC Munoz for Starstruck Shoutout.